I don't know kung sasabihin ko to sa inyo, guys. So,
It's finished.
yes, hon. The one, the blue one, the brown
24
one.
cans.
Well, actually, that's what I've been giving them.
24 cans? Hey, Mama, I really
Hon,
like to...
I'm watching the show, and then your mouth just keep yapping.
Excuse me. Good morning, Philippines.
Like,
Yeah, they got the Donald Trump, like what? Trump is better than Bloomberg. Figure it out. Look at how people in the country that they don't see that.
yeah. It's so annoying last night. It was like when I turned on the TV. That's why I heard this like the commotion of all of them. I said, I'm gonna change the TV. This is annoying. Tommy, I cannot hear you. I will call you back.
Hello?
What's going on? What happened?
Honey. Hold on, what do you
But you're still hearing me?
No, I didn't hear you.
I also said, honey. Are you there? Are you there? Or where are you now?
Just came over and bring some things like, oh, yeah, something to clean and just put it that way in the fridge.
You yell once and then you smile after. And Roxy know what is a smile. Honey, she knows. She know what is a smile means. Hobbs, stop licking your balls.
And I'm cleaning myself to be alone. What about you when you're in bed?
Hi guys, good morning. Nakakot ako kasi lumabas ako. Hindi ko tinapon yung basura kahapon. Usually, the day before, ilagay namin yung garbage pail. Lumabas ako, nilagay ko lang yung garbage pail sa doon sa kalsada malapit. Kailangan nilang magpipi ako. Magpupo. Kailangan nilang mag-CR. Pero takot sila sa takot sila sa ulan. Ayaw kong marinig nila ako. Yun si Misty. Takot yan sa basa. Ang mga ulan ba, pag ulan, umuulan kasi kaunti. So, takot yan umulan. Ayaw niyang maulanan. Yun, kahit gusto na niyang magpupo, ayaw pa rin. So, ngayon, hindi na niya kaya.
The next morning.
Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Look. Oh my God, 4 o'clock in the morning. Hindi pa, madilim pa sa labas, 4 o'clock. Bumangon ako dahil ang lakas ng hangin. Ginawa ko. Hindi nakalimutan kong ibalik yung garbage pail pabalik dito. Hindi siya natatapon saan. So sabi ko nakalimutan ko yung sa lalagyan. Kasi oh my God, natatakot ako guys. Hey, ginawa ko ang hangin. Lakas ng hangin. Umaga. Ngit-ngit pa, ilagay ko lang po. May araw na, so it's time to feed the digs. The kids, the digs. Pakainin lang natin itong mga alaga. And nanonood lang ako ng news din guys, kasi about sa mga itong coronavirus ba? Parang lumalert, parang kahit saan na lang itong coronavirus na punta guys. Walang sunlight ngayon kasi ulan. And it's very, very windy. Nag-slow down a little bit yung wind. Kasi kita. Pero windy pa rin. Ay, ginoo ko. Lipad-lipad yung kahoy. So, ngayon, off dapat ni Tommy. Pero, hindi pa, parang may something siyang gawin. Parang tinawagan siya. Or something. Pero, hindi natin alam. Okay. Ito na yung pagkain nila. Roxy, listen to me. You guys doesn't listen to me anymore. Coming in. Ang nakaano kay Roxy, kapag tawagin mo siya, magpatigas-tigas yung ulo. Pero pupunta yan, kakain, pupuntahan yung pagkain niya, ganun. Itong si Misty, magtatago, and then dapat, you have to put the food closer, not too closer to her. So, I think na namin na, bahala ka. Kung gutom ka, punta ka dito. Kasi nahiligan na niya, guys, magtatago. Parang, magpaano ba? Ikaw, kung gutom ka, punta ka dito, kainin mo. Where you think you're going? No. Come here. We're not going up. You are not going with me. You're not going with me, baby. Look. She wants to go up there, hon. She knows I'm planning to go upstairs.
Yeah, though.
She knows. Oh my God. So, come here. You stay here. You stay here. Okay, Mama's going up. You stay here. Look at this. She want to go with me. This is the cutest baby. The cutest. I love this. I love this baby. Honey. Honey. Han, I have a plan over here. Honey, can you hear me? Okay. The hallway, the hallway from the front door.
Right.
You know, in the side where our pictures.
Yeah.
I want to paint that wall alone because it's one piece of wall, and that wall there, I'm going to paint it like the favorite, like the prettiest blue, the dark blue. You know that kind of blue that there is a different kind of shade of blue. That mom's favorite color. We're done editing. Come here. Hi, mates. Let's go, mates. Somebody's waiting for us. Somebody's waiting for us. Okay, hello. Somebody's waiting for us. For us, somebody's waiting. Hello, 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 hello. Ayasin ko lang tong bed. Ito to protect the ano. To protect the bed. Hindi ko pa ginamit yung ano, yung binili ko na malaki na ganito. Hindi ko pa siya ginamit. Gamitin ko lang yun kapag maglaba na tayo. Ito siya, protect. Kasi si Habs gusto matulog dito. Itong maliit na blanket. What are you guys waiting for? Why you're always, oh my God, the wind outside is very heavy. Oh, heavy. Very strong. Yeah. It's 45. Yung ano niya, speed. Hi guys, tapos na tayo naghilamos, nag-toothbrush. Yun lang yung ginawa ko actually. Alam niyo bakit? Bye, Rox! Bye, Rox! Come here. So, kasi si Tami, punta siya dito. Kasi akala niya may trabaho siya kasi sinabihan siya na magtrabaho siya ngayon. Pero, hindi sumipot. May hanapin na tayo. So, ngayon guys, ito yung mga papilis, mga bill. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko, meron pa dong mga ano, hindi ko pa natignan yung, ano, mga old clothes ko na dalhin sa Pilipinas. Andun yung mga bedsheets. Is pag-usapan natin yung, kasi may nag-request sa ano daw, yung bill namin dito sa bahay. So, tignan ko lang. And, hindi lang dito sa bahay yung bill namin. Okay, so, maghanap lang ako dito guys. Kasi dito ko tinapon dito ko final yung mga papel. Hindi talaga siya na-file. Nilagay ko na lang siya dito kasi ang dami kong, guys, ang hirap ito. Kailangan namin daw bayaran. So, ginoo ko hindi pa bayaran yung previous ano namin. Kasi meron kaming accountant. Kailangan namin bayaran ni Tami yan. Pasensya na sa light guys ha, kasi ano, oh, may araw na guys. Yan, may araw na ang lumabas. Pero yung hangin is ganun pa rin. Ang lakas ng hangin. But anyway, so ngayon, sa nag-request, dito, yung babayaran dito, yung mga bill, hindi ko nasabihin. Yung maalala ko lang ha, kasi some of the numbers hindi ko talaga alam. Well, actually, iba-ibang state. Sa ibang state, dito kasi sa New York, ang mahal guys, as in. So, mortgage namin is, magkano ba yung mortgage namin? I don't know kung sasabihin ko to sa inyo guys, sobrang mahal. Monthly ito ha. Monthly. First day of the month. Ano to siya? Gaano? Iwan ko. Okay, sabihin ko na sa inyo, 2,600 yung monthly namin. Yes, guys. Yes. Noong binili namin itong bahay, akala namin mababa yung bayaran namin monthly. Pero, yung nakatira, yung nabayaran na namin, yung nakasay na kami ganun, tumaas siya dahil may problema yung, I think, yung lawyer or yung realtor, hindi talaga sinabi lahat. I mean, pwede man ito ikaso, pero wala na kami magawa. So, yun yung ano dito sa area namin. Pasensya na guys sa light ha guys ha, nag-change kasi yung araw mawala, yung araw babalik. And also, ito kung sa maalala ko lang guys ha, internet, ito. Pa, iba-iba kasi, I think 200 something yung internet namin dito. telephone, cable, 209. Depende kasi wala kaming bayad sa tubig. Free yung tubig. Ang binibili na lang namin is, ano talaga siya, okay talaga yung tubig. Ang binibili na lang namin is yung Clorox, salt. Mamahalan ka lang sa tubig kung may masira sa basement. Kapag may masira sa basement na mga water, yung mga machine doon, kapag masira yan, doon ka talaga mamahalan. Pero wala kaming monthly sa tubig. Kasi doon siya, sa electric siya, makukuha siya sa electric. So, sa electric tayo, 200 something. Pero guys, matataas, pababa, pataas, depende kasi yan sa paggamit. So ngayon, sa sasakyan tayo, car, yung sasakyan namin, yung sasakyan ko is hindi pa yan tapos. Nagbabayad kami monthly ng sasakyan namin kasi utang yan, di ba? Almost 600, 500 something yung monthly na yan. And then, car insurance, hindi ko rin alam. Yung sa amin na dalawa ni Tami, I think, hindi ko rin alam na sa mga 4 to 5 or 3 something, mga ganon. Kailangan kang may car insurance. And then, pagkatapos sa car insurance, yung ni Tami, monthly, yung life insurance. Bayad, life insurance ni Tami. And then, yung sa akin is yearly ako magbayad ng life insurance ko. Life insurance ko is 216. Ay, cellphone. Yung cellphone namin, yung sa aming tatlo ni Bianan, hindi pa kasi ni Tami na stop. Kailangan namin itong i-stop. Pasensya na sa light. 200 plus. 200 plus yun siya, guys. Kaya, sobrang mahal. Yung condo ni Tami, guys, yung condo is, kasi yung condo may parang magbabayad ka monthly para maintenance. $300 a month. Plus ngayon na wala nagre-rent, electric si Tami, siya pa yun doon, electric sa condo. So, yung pero mababa lang guys, mga $16, ganun. Ano pa ba yung bayaran namin? Yung credit card namin, monthly guys, alam nyo guys, monthly yung gasto namin both ni Tami, aabot ng 4,000. So, yun siya, pero paminsan mababa siya 3,000, 2,000. Kapag madami kaming gastos, ganun-ganun, abot talaga siya ng 4,000 plus. Plus, alam nyo naman, palagi kaming bumibili ng pagkain ng aso. Yun din yun. Pagkain namin, alam nyo naman si Tami. Sabihin na natin na andito kami sa Amerika, nakasasakyan. Yung gas pa namin, di ba, kapag magbiyahe, lalo na si Tami, always buy a gas. So, yun yung gas din, dala na yun sa credit card na yun. So, kaya sobrang mahal ng mga credit card namin ni Tami talaga. So, kahit dito kami sa Amerika talaga, sa tingin ng iba na sobrang masaya, maganda ng buhay, walang problema, parang wala lang, nasa Amerika, may sasakyan, malaking bahay. Alam nyo guys, meron nga, pero natatabunan kami ng utang. Kasi, akala ng iba, okay na yung buhay dito. Pero meron pa nga akong hindi nami-mention ng mga bayaran. And then, kaya noon talaga, meron kaming gardener, magga-gardener sa lawn namin, magkakat ng grass, ganon. Alam nyo guys, that's 200 a month. So, I decided, that's why, nag-decide kami ni Tami na ako na lang yung magkakat once a week. Kasi, ako na yung nag-maintain 2 years already. 2 years, I've been maintaining our lawn. Kaya sabi ko kay Tami, kapag mag-retire na talaga siya, gusto ko talagang ibenta itong bahay, mag-rent kami dito, and sa bahay, meron kami sa Pilipinas kami. Mabubuhay talaga kami dyan sa Pilipinas, guys. Kasi, biruin mo, yung kapag mag-retire yung asawa ko, yung pera na nakukuha niya dito is sobrang laki na sa Pinas, diba? Hindi naman kailangan mamuhay ng mayaman doon, simple lang. Pero sobrang laki na talaga yung kung ano man yung makukuha namin sa ni kay Tami. At plus, kung continue pa itong YouTube ko, di ba, so, mabubuhay talaga kami doon. Ang nakakabuti lang talaga sa asawa ko is, noong bata pa siya, naglagay siya ng malaking investment. Pero yung mga investment na yan, hindi pa siya sobrang kalakihan, pero may investment siya talaga. Pero, so ano pa ba yung mga bill dito? Yung pala namin guys, yung mortgage sa bahay, dala na doon yung mga yung house insurance, gano'n, dala na doon lahat. Yun lahat. So, yan. House insurance. May insurance itong bahay. Pero, guys, alam nyo, guys, doon kami nalakihan ni Tami talaga sa mga gasto-gastusin. So, yun yung ko. Kaya ganun ako mag-react. So, kaya ganun talaga ako mag-react sa mga ginagawa ni Tami. Kaya react ako ng react. Kasi alam ko talaga kung anong situation namin at saka kung anong dapat unahin. Pero, hindi din mapigilan itong asawa ko. Pero, few years na kami, hindi naman talaga kami talaga yung nag-suffer. Pero, may time talaga na tumitingin kami sa isa't isa saan tayo kukuha ng pera ng ganito, ganito. Nakatulong ako, konti-konti lang naman yung tulong ko, pero hindi sobrang laki. Pero, lalo na ngayon na hindi pa nabinta yung isang bahay. For sure, makukunan yung mga investment ng asawa ko. But anyway, so, yun lang siya guys. And, may isang nag-request. So, sabi ko, gusto ko tong gawin din. So, yun. So, sa nag-request yun siya. And, yun yung mga yun actually guys, yung gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, bakit ang laki ng credit card ng gasto namin. Sa aming dalawa na credit card, bakit ang laki. Iwan ko guys, hindi pa ako nakakita ng bill namin sa credit card na sobrang baba ng 2,000. Mataas talaga yung, mataas talaga yun. Iwan ko na lang kung bakit, kasi yung dog food, pagkain namin, ako mag-grocery, si Tammy din grocery sa isang bahay doon para sa kanya, and si Tammy pa hi-order din sa Amazon kahit anong makikita, ganon. Alam nyo naman siya kung pumunta sa grocery, parang wala ng katapusan na ng mundo, binibili na lahat. But anyway, pag-usapan natin si Tammy, papunta si Tammy dito ngayon. Nag-impake, sabi pa niya, dinawagan ko, sabi pa niya, hindi daw siya magtrabaho, kasi hindi siya tinawagan. So, ngayon, punta siya dito. So, yung mga inimpake ko doon sa isang bahay, nilagay niya sa sasakyan, and, yun, dalhin niya dito. And time check, hala, almost 11 na, and then, hindi pa siya nakapag-start. Ito talagang si Tammy, mag-start ng day niya is sobrang late. Nakakairita. Kung uuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, meron tayong pera. So, itong pera na to is pang taxi, pang pagkain, pang taxi. Kasi doon ako nahirapan guys kapag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Pang taxi, galing sa airport, papuntang hotel kung sa Cebu ako mag-stop. So, yun talaga. I have 2,000 something here. So, this is good. So, may mga coins pa ako din dito. Look, tingnan natin natin mga coins. Ito, 5 pesos guys. 5 pesos. 1 peso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hala, may tin pa guys. Di ba yung tin na yellow yung sa loob? Look, 10 pesos. And meron tayong 25 cents. Look, centavo. Kaya hindi ko pinapadala itong mga pera. Kasi kapag uuwi kasi tayo, gamit na gamit ito sa airport. Hindi na tayo doon. Kasi yung sa airport, kapag magpa-exchange ka ng dollar, mababa. Hindi man sobrang baba. Kasi yung na-experience ko is mga 2 piso yung baba nila, yung difference. So kapag andun ka sa maghanap ka talaga na maganda yung rate. So ganun ako, kaya pasalamat ako na meron talaga akong mga piso-piso dito. But anyway guys, hintayin na lang natin si Tammy. So yun yung mga natin. Kaloka. Naghihintay ang baby. Ay, bag. Ang lakas ng hangin, little boy, hindi kinaya, no? Dada's here. Who wants to see Dada? Hello, bag. May hinay-hay ako dito, guys. Oh my God, ningkiat mo na. Ningkiat si Misty, ningkiat. Hello. Hello, Dada siya. No, it's open, hon. You close it?
Oh, puppy. Hey, puppy.
Papi Cholo. Papi Chola. Han. Look, look.
I know you're there. I know. I'm coming for both of you.
Si Misty.
I'm coming. Crazy. Yes. I know you're bigger than Misty. So you can just jump right past her, I guess. I know. Hi, little man. Oh, God. Guys, really? Seriously?
Where is he? Go find him. Where is he? Look at Misty. I just cut her nails, honey. She have a nice running, Misty. There's no tak. Of course. You like when I cut your nails, mates? Bleeding? I cut Misty's nails yesterday, guys. It was bleeding. I overcut it. One finger. Look, that bug is missing. You look, Halala's sticking up there. Hello, no, honey. Oh, the way she do it to you, honey. Do like this, honey. Like, she's closing her eyes.
Little man.
She miss you,
He's
hon.
not a she, no matter what your mother tells you.
He miss you. Oh, so proud, little boy. You're such a proud bug. You're such a proud bug. Did you see Dimples? Misty. Where's Dada meets? Naglagay lang ako ng mga tubig sa refrigerator. Kasi kapag may mauhaw, meron tayong tubig.
There's a top for it.
Huh?
There's a top for it.
It's over there, hon.
Where?
Somewhere over there. Just leave it there. You know what?
No, I'm saying.
What are you
It's not
looking?
with the maker, it's the top piece.
The one, the cover up. The one, the clear one, the cover. It's somewhere here. I will see it sooner. I remember it. Kasi nakalimutan kong may tubig at saka ayaw pa naman ito na walang tubig sa refrigerator. Do you want something? What do you want me to cook? Hold on, let me look. I'm sorry, I don't even think about it. You want tuna salad? You just have tuna salad the other day.
There's the new tuna that we just got for 2 big things of tuna for the cats.
It's finished for your kids.
What, it's finished?
Yes, hon. The one, the blue one, the green
24
one.
cans.
Well, actually, that's what I've been giving them.
24 cans? Since Costco, you got rid of that many cans?
Well, ask your
That's way
kids.
too much, huh?
Ask your kids.
Huh? It's only a week.
I know. Look over there. You don't believe me?
Like this size, these cans.
Yeah, and that's what I said. The green one.
Too big.
I'm not joking,
Well,
honey.
it's about 24 cans, and each can is 1.5 times this size.
Two cans for the 4 of them. Because I want you to stop doing it.
You want me to stop doing it? The idea is it's there for treats for them, not like you just give it to them until you run out of them. It's not like a crazy thing, huh?
Look at the face.
Because that's just crazy stuff. It should be with the rest of the tuna. We'll probably still sit in your car.
Well, you don't believe me, so...
If you gave them that much, there's something wrong with it.
Well, there's something wrong with you. You're buying it. Yeah, right. You put it in your car just just like the rest of whatever you buy.
Well, if you're not joking, then that's how do I control it?
Control it.
I knew I'd see your face as soon as I finished with the can of water.
Oh,
Oh.
so you're trying to tell him he's a pig?
No, I'm trying to tell you he loves tuna fish.
He is a pig.
Tell your mama that I really
And
like tuna.
I'm watching the show, and then your mouth just keep yapping.
Excuse me.
You're right, and then after that you are crying. I can hear you. My wife doesn't care.
Yeah, like that happens. Okay, watch the show. I'm gonna get a little bit before I start to grab it.
Okay, honey, I'm going to watch my show. Your thing is done, okay? Is that the only thing you need?
That's it.
Okay, pakita natin kay Tami kung ano yung gusto ko sa gawin dito. Kasi meron akong gustong gawin. Ito, sa taas. Pababa. And then, yun. Ito. This is my plan. This wall. This wall right here. Right there. And this here. With not just a regular color blue. I want it to be a nice blue. That's always been like that. And it's not just that. I have a plan of doing that. This is the plan. Listen. So this right here is like blue, okay? Blue. But this is blue. So, blue. A little white. White. And then blue. Like that. I want to... Han, that's my thing. Han, I think I have a talent. I'm like...
That was alright. Yeah.
Look what...
Ross, you got talent.
I think I have a talent because I have a really good, like, I can see it how it looks already even though wala pang color. And look what happened to the dining. I did that. And I did that because it's Tom's favorite color, black. And now I'm gonna put over there Mom's favorite color, that nice dark blue. There is a jewelry stone that looks like a blue one. Sapphire, huh? Yeah, that one. And also, I have a question. So I watched this, The Bold and the Beautiful, and so this guy, she proposed with this girl. Okay, he's so in love with her. She proposed, but there's no ring. It's just a surprise. And then become years, and then they don't get married.